Hey y'all, Sam here, and I just finished filming my Ipsy versus BoxyCharm subscription boxes, and I checked my mail and my Ipsy bag is here. So figured why not sit down and just film an Ipsy unbagging. It's been a good minute since I've done that. So let's get into it. Alright, so reaching into my bag, I have a product that wouldn't fit in the bag, and that is a brush. And this is a CHIQUE blush brush. Ooh, that feels really nice. I love the design of this gold handle. Really nice, soft cream bristle brush. This is beautiful. Very happy with this. All right, now let's talk about this bag. Oh my gosh, this bag is so stinking cute. The only issue is since the glitter doesn't have like a cap of like something over it, as you can see, it's kind of coming off a little bit. I feel like if I put this in my purse, it would snag and collect lint and things like that. Unfortunately. It's beautiful though. It's a beautiful bag. Now let's see what we have inside. Mystery number one is, oh, an OFRA lipstick, and this is a full size. This is in the color Mocha, and it is a long wear lasting liquid lipstick. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that's a very pretty mauve color. This is the kind of color I love to wear on an everyday basis, so this will get used for sure. And it's full size, and this bag only cost me $10. All right, next it looks like we have a face moisturizer from PIXI. And this is called Pure Hydration. Let's see. It's sealed, so we're not gonna be able to try it out, but it is probably just a nice, I'm assuming it's probably a gel moisturizer that you would put on your skin, you know, after you wash it. So that's nice. I love face products. Oh, next we have a Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow. And this is called Naturally Nude. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, let's swatch it right here. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty nude. It's got a nice shimmer to it. Man, I feel like I could wear that as a highlighter. I'm gonna spray my finger with some Fix Plus, then grab a little bit of this eyeshadow and see if wet, what the difference looks like. Alright, so there are the two swatches. This is the same eyeshadow wet with the Max Fix Plus, and this is the dry swatch. It just made it a little bit darker, a little bit more coppery. Here I feel like it's a little bit more rose gold. Very, very pretty. And then lastly, we have a nail polish, and this is called, what is this called? Oh, this is called Platinum Status. Oh wow, this is a very pretty nail polish. As always, Ipsy never lets us down. Full-size lipstick. This is definitely a full-size eyeshadow as well. Full-size nail polish, full-size brush. You know, obviously it's a brush. And a face cream. $10, y'all. $10. I think this is probably one of the best valued Ipsy bags I've received in quite a while. So Ipsy is stepping it up all around, at least to me. Well, I'd love to hear what you guys received in your Ipsy bag this month. If you got something different, let me know below. If you posted a video, leave a comment with a link. I'd love to check out what you guys received in your boxes as well. Well, until next time, bye y'all!